We're here at the Wren Lake Pollinator Garden. The Pollinator Garden was established soon after the construction of the new visitor center, which was built in 2011. And since 2015, it's been maintained and planted and cared for by a few different groups. Master gardeners, master naturalists have had a hand in it. I believe the Benton Gardeners Club has also been really instrumental in caring for and helping to improve and create this great pollinator garden here. And it's primarily almost all native species, American native prairie plants, pollinator plants, a wide range of forbs and wildflowers, trees. It's got a great amount of biodiversity. It kind of has different features throughout the year. So all year, different things are blooming. Right now, it's predominantly the goldenrod, so we need to kind of get a little control of that today. We're kind of getting into the fall here, so most things are, the big color show is mostly over for the fall, but we still have a few little surprises here and there. So that's a little bit of backstory on the Wren Lake Pollinator Garden.
My name's Dawn Koverick, and I am the person that's responsible for the upkeep and the care of the visitor center. When we built the visitor center in 2011, we decided that this area would make a great wildlife pollinator garden. With the federal government focusing on pollinator species, then we decided that this would be the perfect area for people to be able to walk through. So now, with the garden evolving as it has, we see a lot of monarch butterflies. We see a lot of different types of butterflies hatching out in the garden. A lot of pollinator species, beneficial insects, that sort of thing, using the garden and the plantings as overwintering areas. We just try to educate people as they come through. We got some signage that helps the public to be able to do their own guided tour, and we're hoping just to get people's interest sparked so they'll learn a little bit more about pollinators and care for them a little bit more.